Welcome back to the next tutorial on installing plugins. This is the first of optional plugins to install, and I highly recommend this plugin. It is the plugin that controls or helps us with search engine optimization. And search engine optimization it's always been a buzzword, but it really does mean something. It really is about helping more traffic come to your website because they can find it easier. And this plugin helps us to make pages or make what's called metadata or particular words or classifications and categories in our pages to be more relevant to search engines. So that's what we're going to try and do as we create pages. We're going to have that, and I'm going to show you how to use it. For now, we're just going to get the plugin open and installed. So I'll have a supplementary video on search engine optimization using this plugin during the pages section when we start actually configuring our website and creating some content. Okay, so as long as you're logged in here to your website, so now you should be going to your domain WP admin link and log into the back end of your website and just scroll down to the plugins. Probably become very familiar with the plugins section, and we're going to go ahead and click add new. Okay, perfect. So now that you're here, we're going to type in Yoast SEO. That's YOAST SEO. Okay, and it should come up here. Again, very highly rated. Lots of downloads and installs, so we know that this one works very well. So we're going to go ahead and install this plugin. Okay, it's installed, and we're going to go ahead and activate this plugin. Okay, right away it's giving us things. Oh, we need to see some stuff in regards to our search engine. So we can always search engine optimization. So we can always go see what those notifications are. There are some settings that you can do, but I'm not going to worry about that too much. We're just going to go up here and see what the notifications are. Okay, and this is the dashboard for your search engine optimization. See, it's added another link to the menu on the left-hand side for your search engine optimization. So here's the dashboard. Now what's cool is you could go premium, you pay a little extra, I believe, and you get some more features. But I noticed the free option, they give you a lot of ability right off the bat. Okay, so they said right now they're saying that we have to uncheck the search engine visibility thing. Well, you know what? We're gonna need to leave that on for now because we're not going live with our website yet. Once we have our website ready and all our pages done, then we want to turn that back on. So I'm actually going to leave that warning the way it is because we want it to nag us later about that. Okay, and it says we have the default WordPress tagline. Well, hey, that's a good indication we should do. So let's right click on this link and open in a new tab. That's going to open this link in a new tab, and it should bring us to exactly where we need to go. So later on when we get into configuring, we'll actually be going here and doing a little bit more. So go ahead and click on this site identity here. And here's what they're talking about, this tagline. So what we want to do is just add something a little bit more relevant to what we're doing. So I've added this tagline, this sort of silly, explosive and excellent tutorials and learning. One key thing I've done is I've taken a word in here, and this is the word we're talking about, and I've put it in here. So that's some key things to know about when you're talking about search engine optimization. They like to see relevancy. So I'm just going to save that. And that's all it wanted us to do. So if I go back and I click up on the link here and then I hit enter, I expect that to disappear. Yep. So that error disappeared now on the dashboard here. So let's quickly just go and see what it looks like when we actually do something using this particular plugin. We'll be in more detail around this particular one, but we're just going to go to pages. Okay, and I'm going to look at this one, this About Us page here. Okay, I'm just going to use this one as an example. So if you clicked on pages And then in the list here, you should have seen a page called About Us. Okay, don't worry about this stuff here. We're going to scroll down here to this part at the bottom. So this Yoast SEO part. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we need to fill out some information that it recommends. And fundamentally what we want is this to turn green. So just fast forward here a few minutes, and I just wrote something really quick here, and the title, and it's nice and green. You can see this is the description that comes on the bottom. And then scrolling down here, I've chosen a keyword, about. You know, that might not be the best keyword for this page, but I'm just using this as an example. Then I scroll down a little bit more, and this is the analysis. Okay, this is kind of the rules, and you'll start seeing these things start turning green, 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 green as you do it. So the next one, it says you have not used the focus keyword in any subheading. So they were talking about they haven't seen this one in any subheading of the page of here. Now I actually ended up clicking on the up here. There was a button that said to use a backend editor, just so you can actually see how the this is Visual Composer, how it actually lays out. So what it's doing is looking somewhere for a heading here, like how it said custom heading here. Maybe if it said about here in a custom heading, it would have done that. So we're going to go through editing pages, not in this video, in a future one that'll show you all about that, and it's super easy. So that's kind of what it's asking for. So we just, you know what, we just follow along until everything is green. If it's green, this page is going to be rock solid for search engine friendliness. So this concludes this plugin tutorial. Hopefully we'll see you on the next one, and we'll go from there.